Hello, this is Harleen. While 26 August celebrates women's equality all across, let's take a look at how India fares when it comes to political representation of its women. Year after year, enthusiastic participation of women voters has increased phenomenally, but it has not been translated into proportionate electoral power. Well, to give you the figures, India ranks 149th in a list of 193 countries in terms of women representation. This attitude stems from a monolithic, patriarchal mindset according to which only men can be capable of becoming good leaders. But here's the thing, there is established evidence that women's leadership can actually improve governance. So maybe it's time to make space for women in politics, not just by these tokenistic gestures, but by changing and challenging the hyper masculine way in which politics takes place. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Meherjot and I am from NCMDAB College, and today I am going to talk on the topic of women participation in political as well as in public decisions. So women in India, they participate a lot in voting, and they also run for public as well as for political parties. But one of the difference here is that women mostly work at the lower levels, whereas men mostly work at the higher levels or higher posts. So now if I talk about some of the data available on Google, women participation in parliament is around 65.67%, whereas men's participation is around 67%. So there is a very little difference, and women have already held the post of Prime Minister, President and Chief Minister in different states. So I can say that already women are highly empowered in India, and they are coming forward with their opinions, but still more initiatives and schemes should be launched by the government to improve the scenario. Thank you.
Judges, today I am going to speak on the topic women participation in public and political affairs. The term political participation has a very wide meaning. It is not only related to right to vote, but simultaneously it involves decision-making process. Women are participating in voting, run for public offices as well as political affairs at lower level more than men. It is very proud to share that political activism and voting are the strongest area of women participation in voting. I am very glad to share that Indian government has constituted some seats reserved for women, which allows them to participate in them, and women are participating very nicely and proving that they are not less than men. At last but not the least, I would like to say that women equality is not about making women stronger. Women are already strong. It is about change in the perception, how the world perceives that strength. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello everyone, this is Amandeep Kaur, student of Botany Department in Akal University. Today on this Women's Equality Day, first of all, I want to congratulate each and every woman who are in politics and in other fields. Participation of women in politics and public speaking is one of the important steps to achieve global gender equality. Every woman has right to express her thoughts and views. Today's women are highly self-directed person, wanted to do things as best as possible, and even they are rational in approach, careful in handling all the situations. We have examples of some responsible women such as Kiran Bedi, Srushti Jayant Deshmukh, Tina Dabi, etc., who are running our societies in best ways. So at last, I want to encourage every girl to raise their voices for their rights and equality. Thank you so much.
It is often said that the development of a nation can only be happen when the man and the woman of that nation get equal opportunities and equal rights. But often you have seen that the women in society do not get equal rights and equal opportunities as compared to men, whether it's education field or employment or voting system and much more. In earlier times, women were not aware about their rights, but today's women is ready for every fight to get her right. So every 26th of the August is celebrated as Women's Equality Day. To change this idea that women are not supposed to work in the houses, but she has the ability to go outside and to do business, to become a teacher, to become an engineer, and whatever she wants to do in her life. She should be equally treated as men are. And for all the women, once you find the core of you, who you are inside, your beliefs, your flaws, your values, and once you understand who really that person is, then you're unstoppable. So be fearless, be confident, just educate yourself, just believe in yourself, become financially independent, not because you are a woman, but because it's your right. And I would like to thank my parents for not clipping my wings and let me fly and allow me to do whatever I want to do in my life. So thank you so much, everyone.